Are you geared up to elevate your marketing game? Perfect for both small business owners and marketers eager to enhance their operations. This definitive guide will show you how to navigate your marketing hub like a pro with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-encompassing tool that allows you to build eye-catching websites, refine your marketing approaches, and handle leads with ease. Let's jump into it. To start, head over to the Launchpad section. Here, you can integrate GoHighLevel with various applications. Connect Stripe for payment processing, incorporate team members. The dashboard offers CRM capabilities where you can analyze your business metrics, monitor funnel performance, and manage ongoing deals. Use the Conversation section to handle all communications with clients or customers via Messenger, SMS, or Gmail. The Calendar section displays all your scheduled appointments and meetings. Easily add new events by clicking the New button. Enhance your digital presence in the Marketing section by distributing or planning posts across several social media channels at once. This area also lets you craft and oversee email campaigns. Set sophisticated marketing automations in the Automation section. For instance, define triggers such that if a visitor lands on a page, specific actions follow. If they click a button, another set of actions are initiated. The Sites section is your go-to for building funnels, websites, forms, and surveys, providing an array of tools to establish your digital footprint. In reporting, track how well your paid ads are doing, including those on Google Ads and Facebook ads. That's it. Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today and start crafting your funnel. Remember to arrange your kickoff call through the link in the video description for the best start. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with our newest videos.